Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us back here at Max Resources channel. We're, of course, sitting here again with Brett, and we have another exciting announcement that we're going to dive into for you guys today. But first off, Brett, how are you doing?
I'm great, Michael. You see the sun shining behind me. It's going to be a beautiful day.
Perfect. It's going to be another beautiful day. And on that, let's dive into this news here. You guys announced that you're going to commence a LiDAR survey, which is light detection and ranging survey over the URU project in Northeast Colombia. So explain to people what a light detection and ranging survey is and kind of go from there.
Very simply, it's like doing a digit. See, if you look on your Google Earth and you got the topography on Google Earth, what this does, it basically does the same, but a lot more accurate. And it gets actually through the trees. So it actually gives you the actual true topography, which what that does is it makes it easy for us in relation to getting the drill rigs to certain places and also getting to certain places because we know the topography. So that's what it's doing, because you've got quite a bit of topography here. So that's in a simple format. That's what it does. So because what happens is the mineral concessions are 70 square kilometers. That's huge. So for us to go in there and actually physically go over the land to work out what we're going to do would take a huge amount of time. So by using the LiDAR and the data, we can sort of work out, instead of over 70 kilometers, we can sort of go, okay, we'll do the 1 kilometer here, 1 kilometer here, and 1 kilometer here.
Yeah, agreed.
So in its simplistic form, that's what it does.
Yeah, the technology is really useful for the mining industry at this point, because previously, like you said, it was a lot of footwork. This helps out significantly with that. So explain to people, you're doing this over this area. What's going to happen next once this is complete?
So what we have is we have 3 steps from here to drilling. The step number 1 is we do more surface work to work out orientation, and we interpret where to put the drill pads to. And we use this geophysics LiDAR to get there. And then when we get to the smaller area where we think the drill pads are going to go, then we do what we call ground. So it's like a wire going across the top of the ground, and it picks up this copper. So the wire comes off the ground, and then sort of the LiDAR sort of got this big, and then that gets us down to here to more definiate where the drill pads are going to go, which gives you a lot higher percentage of hitting your target. So your target is mineralization. So they're the steps. And in the meantime, we do a drilling permit. And like anywhere in the world now, you do what you call an environmental baseline survey. So you do a baseline survey. So then that's recorded. So if there's any disturbance that we claim there wasn't, and we claim there wasn't, but the government say there is. They've got that survey, the original survey, to have reference. So these are sort of great things we're going through, and the market itself, the big game changer we've had now is we've got a very definitive exploration on what we're doing and a definitive timeline all the way through to drilling, whereas up to now we were doing exploration over a huge area, and it's the same as what I explained with drilling. So we've done on a huge area, and we've made it smaller to go where we think is the priority position, which is again what we call URU.
Yeah, good point. Yeah, you're constantly refining your scope, zeroing in on what it is you guys have to do next. Like you said, now the timeline's really starting to become a lot more clear. So it's very exciting. So Brett, thank you for coming on and walking through this. I do, of course, implore you guys to go read the news release and let us know what you think. And again, of course, if you have any questions, send them over to us. Happily dive into them. Brett, any closing words?
Look, just keep looking at our website. We've got now 9 geologists now. We're working full time, and other than that, great to have the conversation with your audience, and see you very soon.
Wonderful. Stay tuned, everybody. We'll see you all very soon. Have a wonderful evening.